Are you tired of watching others rake in the dough from viral videos while you're stuck on the sidelines? Let me ask you this, have you ever scrolled through TikTok or YouTube and thought, I could do that? Well, the truth is, you can do that, and not just do it but dominate it. Well, your wait is over. We're unveiling a groundbreaking product that's set to revolutionize the way you approach video marketing. Introducing Make Money with AI Video Marketing Courses Pack. Packed with 30 expert-crafted videos, you'll master the art of creating viral quizzes, captivating fantasy video content, and amazing kids' story videos using hot AI tools that leave a lasting impact. Course 1, Master the art of viral quiz videos for TikTok and Shorts using AI tools 10 training videos. Course 2, Create captivating fantasy niche videos with AI 10 training videos. Course 3, Create engaging, fun children's story videos using AI 10 training videos. Imagine this, you're waking up to a flood of notifications, each one representing cold, hard cash pouring into your bank account. Sounds like a dream, right? Wrong, it's a reality for those who've cracked the code of video marketing. We're in the golden age of video, platforms like TikTok and YouTube are exploding, and it's the perfect storm of opportunity, and right now, there's a massive opportunity for you to cash in. With our AI Video Marketing Courses Pack, you can easily tap into a multi-billion-dollar industry with minimal investment and maximum potential. This is your chance to be at the forefront. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your passion for video into a profitable empire. The time to act is now.
A viral quiz niche on TikTok. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to find a viral quiz niche on TikTok. Step by step. So let's get started. Open TikTok.com, and type quiz in the search field. And click the search icon button, or press enter. You can see the search results, viral videos with quiz topics. Getting tens of millions of views in just a few months. Click on one of the videos to see the quiz topic video and find quiz ideas. Come back and watch other videos to get quiz topic ideas. That's how to find a viral quiz niche on TikTok. See you in the next tutorial. Voiceover using ElevenLabs. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at make a voiceover using ElevenLabs. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to elevenlabs.io, and log in with your account. Enter the script for your video narration, edit the script if necessary. And click Generate Speech. You can also choose the type of voice and other settings. Wait a few moments, then your narration audio has been created. Click the download icon to download the audio. That's how to make a voiceover using ElevenLabs. See you in the next tutorial. Find quiz topics on QUORA. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to find quiz topics on QUORA. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to QUORA.com, log in with your account, and type in the search field quiz results. The next step, filter the search results to answer. That's find quiz topics on QUORA. See you in the next tutorial. How to make a quiz using Gemini. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to make a quiz using Gemini. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to gemini.google.com and type your prompt here. In a few seconds you will get a quiz that you can use in your video. You can compare the quality of the quiz from ChatGPT or Gemini, and choose the best one according to you to use in your video. That's how to make a quiz using Gemini. See you in the next tutorial. Background sounds on TikTok. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to make a quiz using Gemini. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to Google, and type TikTok audio library. And click on the viral TikTok link. On this page you can see all the audio or background music that is viral on TikTok. You can start using it in your videos too. That's how to find viral background sounds on TikTok. See you in the next tutorial. How to find back sounds on YouTube Shorts. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to find back sounds on YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. Go to Google, and type YouTube Shorts Audio Library. And click YouTube Audio Library in the search results. On this page you can search for audio for your YouTube shorts. You can mark the audio with a star, to make it easier for you to find viral audio. That's how to find back sounds on YouTube shorts. See you in the next tutorial. Download audio back sounds on TikTok and YouTube. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to download audio back sounds on TikTok and YouTube. Step by step. So let's get started. To download YouTube audio, you simply go to the YouTube audio library. And you can download it directly by clicking the download button here. As for downloading audio on TikTok, you have to open the video you want to download, and copy the link. Next, go to snaptic.gg, and select MP3. Next, paste the TikTok video link, and click download to download it. That's how to download audio back sounds on TikTok and YouTube. See you in the next tutorial. How to make a quiz image using Leonardo AI. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to make quiz images using Leonardo AI. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to Leonardo, and log in with your account. In your dashboard click Image Creation, and enter your image prompt in this column. Wait a moment, your AI drawing has been completed. That's how to make quiz images using Leonardo AI. See you in the next tutorial. Using IDEOGRAM AI. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to make quiz images using IDEOGRAM AI. Step by step. So let's get started. Go to ideogram.ai and enter your quiz prompt and click the Generate button. Wait a few moments, and you've got your AI image. Click the image to see the quality, and you can directly download the AI image you created in IDEOGRAM for your video quiz. That's how to make quiz images using IDEOGRAM AI. See you in the next tutorial. Quiz video in CAPCUT. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to make a quiz video in CAPCUT. Step by step. So let's get started. Open CAPCUT, and create a new project. Enter all video assets, drag and drop to the timeline and make adjustments. Next, click the caption menu. And select auto caption. Press the Generate button to start creating auto captions. Next, add a caption style so that the writing is visible. Then adjust it again in the timeline if it is not perfect. If it feels right, click Export to export the video. That's how to make a quiz video in CAPCUT. See you in the next tutorial.